We can also look at the violations that have been created when our code has been analysed. So we can see here we've got 66 violations, of which we've flagged 60 as minor and 6 as major. So if we dig into the major violations first, because they're probably the most interesting ones to us, we've got here two here. The first one is warning us that we're referencing a table from ESQL that has not been found in the database schema that's been provided when the analysis ran. So when you run the analysis, you can tell it or give it a link to your database, or in preference a read-only development database that it can query the table definitions on. In this case, it's telling us that there's a mismatch between one of those tables and the SQL. So we dig into the SQL here. We've got two violations. So we dig into the violation, the database violation here. It's telling us that the test1 key database hasn't actually, or the test1 key table within the database hasn't actually been found. In which case, when this particular piece of ESQL runs in production, it's most likely going to give us a runtime error. This second major violation here is just telling us that we should be using the XMLNS C parser over the XMLNS parser, as the XMLNS C parser is preferred parser. In terms of minor violations, we've got two showing up here. Keywords should be in uppercase, so just the designated keywords that in message broker or ESQL code. It's just telling us that they're not all in the same uppercase, so just a bit of code consistency there. And the second one here is telling us that we've got some unused variables. So we look here at the message split ESQL. It's telling us that the container variable has been defined or declared, but it's never actually been referenced in this code, and hence it could be removed, or we have an issue where it should be, it's been misspelled, or been a subsequent another variable with a similar name has been used.